Hello, my name is Gea Alberico, and today I will be talking about the research conducted by both myself and Will Martin. Our research was focused on creating a conveyor belt that will be used by the University of Iowa's CAR Lab. The CAR Lab is the Controls, Automation, and Robotics Lab. In this lab, there is two robots that are able to move about with an arm attached to it and one freestanding robot that can only move its arm. The conveyor belt will be used by the two moving robots. Researchers and students will be given a chance to learn and watch the robots work in real time while also creating and testing codes and programs that they've created themselves. They will be creating things to have the robots pick up different objects as they are moving down the conveyor belt. Our main focus for the research was to find a cost-efficient motor that would be used on the conveyor belt. We had two different options that we had found. One was the Never Rest Orbital 20 gear motor, while the other was the Never Rest Orbital 60 gear motor. After looking at the two different motors, we saw that the 60 gear motor had a higher torque while also having a cheaper cost. Because of this, we decided to go with that one and have it shipped here and just wait and continue on while we were doing that. However, our professor was able to find one in his shop, so we were able to have a free motor and save a ton of time that we didn't need for the shipping. Now that we had chosen our motor, we decided that we needed to move on and to go on to the next step of creating the conveyor belt. After looking at the CAD model that you can see on the bottom left, we decided that the next important part would be the motor mount. Since we had the dimensions of the motor, we were able to quickly decide on what would be best, as you can see in the top left corner. Our next task will be to create an adjustable frame that allows for the motor to be moved back and forth on the conveyor belt as to make the actual length of the conveyor belt longer so that students and researchers can test different movements of the robots. Thank you for your time. Goodbye.